When she realizes she lost you, the psychology of regret, detachment, and self-respect. Have you ever watched someone walk out of your life while knowing, somewhere inside, that they may never find the same connection again? There is a particular kind of pain that comes with that realization. It doesn't disappear the moment the relationship ends. Instead, it follows you into the quiet moments when there is no distraction left to hide behind. But sometimes the hardest part isn't that she walked away. It's wondering whether she'll ever realize what she actually lost. You gave your time. You invested your energy. Maybe you opened your heart in ways you rarely do for anyone. And then suddenly, it can feel as though everything you gave has been erased, as if you were simply another person who could be replaced and forgotten. But there is something many men misunderstand about breakups. Regret rarely arrives immediately. After making an emotional decision, people often protect themselves by believing they made the correct choice. Friends may support that decision. New attention can create temporary excitement. Pride can make someone unwilling to reconsider what happened. For a while, everything may appear completely fine. Then time passes. The distractions become quieter. The excitement begins to fade. Memories return. Comparisons happen naturally. And eventually the person may begin looking at the past through a completely different lens. That is when regret can appear. But here is where many men make their biggest mistake. They try to force that realization. They send another message. They ask for another chance. They demand an explanation. They keep checking whether she has changed their mind. They desperately search for closure. But you cannot force someone to recognize your value. Sometimes the strongest response is simply to step away. Not as punishment. Not to manipulate anyone. Not because you want revenge. But because you finally understand that your peace cannot depend on another person's decision. And this is where Stoic philosophy becomes powerful. Real strength is not about controlling another person's emotions. It is about gaining control over your own. You don't become stronger by making someone regret leaving. You become stronger by becoming someone who no longer needs their regret. By the end of this video, the goal isn't for you to become the man she wishes she had back. The goal is to become the man who no longer needs anyone's approval to know his own worth. If you're ready for that transformation, support the channel by liking this video, subscribing, turning on notifications, and sharing your thoughts in the comments. Pain is my teacher, because every difficult experience contains a lesson when you have the discipline to learn from it. Now, let's begin. Number 1. The truth about regret. People rarely admit their mistakes in love immediately. That doesn't necessarily mean they feel nothing. Sometimes pride simply makes honest reflection difficult. After a breakup, someone may surround themselves with friends, attention, distractions, or even new possibilities. All of those things can temporarily reinforce the belief that walking away was the correct decision. But temporary relief isn't the same thing as long-term certainty. Regret often develops quietly. It can appear during lonely evenings. It can surface when an old memory unexpectedly returns. It can emerge when someone meets new people and unconsciously compares those experiences with what they once had. And this is why time matters. The first few days after a breakup don't always reveal how someone will feel months later. People adapt. Circumstances change. Perspective changes. The person who seemed completely certain yesterday may eventually see the situation differently. But you should never build your life around waiting for that moment. Your responsibility is not to sit around wondering, does she regret it yet? Your responsibility is to move forward. No begging, no constant checking, no desperate attempts to prove what you are worth. If you truly want to regain your confidence, stop trying to control her perception of you. Instead, control your own direction. When someone expects you to fall apart and you quietly rebuild yourself, the most important change isn't happening in their mind, it's happening in yours. You stop seeing yourself through their eyes. You stop measuring your value by whether they stayed. You begin understanding that losing someone does not automatically mean losing yourself, and that is where genuine detachment begins. People are emotional creatures. We often remember experiences through feelings, memories, and associations rather than through pure logic. That's why distance can create reflection. When someone no longer has constant access to your attention, they have more space to remember the relationship without your presence constantly.